4-disc ridger. Disc ridger is a secondary tillage implement. It is used for making ridges for row crops such as sugarcane, potato, chilies, banana, etc., as well as for opening furrows for water flow. The ridger should only be used after tilling the area once or twice and only when the soil is somewhat moist. 4-disc ridger installation. To install the 4-disc ridger at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly, implement attachment with tractor, settings and adjustments, field operation, inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to attach 4-disc ridger with tractor. There are 8 number loose parts come with 4-disc ridger. To assemble the 4-disc ridger completely, we need to assemble all these parts correctly. First, connect the tractor left side link with the ridger and attach it by using pin. Then connect the tractor right side link with ridger and place the pin. Connect tractor top link with the ridger and place the pin. Adjust the level of the ridger with top link. Ensure the equal lifting of the ridger by adjusting the right side link of the tractor. We can adjust the swing of disc ridger from the check chain of the tractor and ensure the 15 to 20 mm swing on the both sides. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.